just had a snowstorm and I'm not awake yet, but Dwight said, Gloria, look. There's a robin eating that suet. I'll be putting suet down for it today. It's supposed to rain in a little while and probably all the snow we got last night will go away. Well, guess that red-winged blackbird told that robin something. Well, I'm out on the porch. Obviously the wind's blowing and the chimes are going and it's freezing cold. We had our spring snow last night and our little robins show up and I'm going to do a little video. Lily, what are you doing? Lily Lou. Woohoo, Lulu. And I got to clean these poor bird feeders off so the birds can get to the seeds. Fill them up. Oh, I can hear the robin singing. Poor baby. Well, I'm freezing, so hopefully I'll get time to make a little movie and surprise everybody with our robin snow, as my friend calls it. She says in the springtime the snow is called a robin's. Yep. Although I just hollered and our bluebird just came in on the same day as our robin. Good thing I just set a suet square down on the floor for it on the porch. Well, we just had a red-bellied woodpecker fly in. Let's see how this goes over with the bluebird. Yeah, well, there we go. It tells the story. Oh, look at that nuthatch down there. Saying, hey, big guy, I'm bigger than you. But really isn't. Oh, bluebird took over. The bluebird took over. I bet not a lot of you have had bluebirds on suets, have you? It's not something that happens all the time. Well, our bluebird's back. Again. Isn't he beautiful? Well, can you see how puffed up our little bird is trying to stay warm? Usually his wife's with him. I hope she made it. Maybe she'll come in later today. Oh, it's cold out. Supposed to rain and snow some more. What a mess we're going to have. I think we got a little nuthatch on it. Oh yeah, a little white-breasted nuthatch. Oh man. My little guy down here. He likes landing. This is my Gloria angel. He likes landing and being there. Got the hairy woodpecker on the right, red-bellied woodpecker on the left. Bluebird on top of my angel head. What a fun morning. What a fun morning. Thank you, Jesus. Got our bluebird, our hairy to the right, our downy to the left. Don't tell me all these birds can't get along. Woohoo! This is right after our snowstorm last night. Too much fun. I was watching this little guy, and he's just shaking. I mean, he just came from the south. He says, geez, why do I get here so early? Excuse the noise in the background. It's our furnace kicking on. Oh, but it was cold when I went out a little while ago. See, we have a little bird feeder in case you see the birds flying across. I have one right here. And then, no, there's a glare on the glass. Dwight made me a little pileated woodpecker out there. That wooden one you can see on the post. Yeah, and we decorated for Easter. This Saturday is Dwight's 80th birthday. And so we're having a few people come by.